Have you ever wondered why some marriages thrive while others struggle? Which challenges, selfishness, trust issues, or third-party interference do you think affects marriages the most? Let me know in the comment section. Hello friend, welcome to today's video where we will discuss the keys to a successful marriage. If you have ever wondered what makes a marriage thrive, or on the flip side, what causes so many relationships to fail, remember that you play a crucial role in this dynamic. You are in the right place to understand and improve your part in the marriage. We will explore powerful tips for happy and healthy marriages, uncover the reasons for divorce, and discuss how to build a strong foundation with selflessness, trust, and respect. Whether you are struggling with selfishness in relationships, overcoming trust issues, or dealing with the effects of third-party interference in your marriage, we have got you covered. Marriage is a journey, not a destination, and every step requires effective communication, forgiveness, and faithfulness. Together, we are all on this journey, tackling everyday challenges like resolving marital conflicts, maintaining boundaries, and recognizing the signs of an unhealthy marriage. So, if you are ready to improve your marriage, prioritize your spouse, and avoid the pitfalls that lead to divorce, let's begin creating a stronger, happier, and more loving relationship. Everyone strives for a successful marriage, but I notice there are divorces everywhere. So that keeps me thinking about what leads to unsuccessful marriages. Remember, you are not alone in this. We are all in this together, learning and growing. So below are the reasons why most marriages are unsuccessful. The first one is being selfish. Marriage is a significant responsibility. If you are not responsible, it will be challenging to maintain. Selfishness in your marriage can be detrimental. To have a successful, healthy, and happier marriage, you must prioritize your spouse's needs over yours. This selflessness is the key to enjoying your spouse's good side and fostering a strong marriage. This week, practice one act of selflessness in your marriage and share how it impacted your relationship. Then the second is controlling your spouse. In this aspect, I can't stop talking about this, but this is because some people want to control everything you do, which is unhealthy in marriage. We ought to give our spouse some space because it's also a sign of respect. Then the third one I have on my list is unforgiveness. Unforgiveness can be a significant obstacle in marriage. It can set us back not just in our marriage, but also in every aspect of our lives. I once struggled with forgiveness in my marriage. Let's discuss it in the comments if you have been through something similar. Learning to forgive our spouses no matter what they do, is crucial for a healthy and successful marriage. It's a virtue that can bring peace and harmony to our relationships. Have you ever faced a moment in your marriage when forgiveness felt impossible? How did you handle it? Let us know in the comments below as well. The fourth one is not trusting your spouse is a big issue. Oh no, yeah, because some people don't trust themselves, so they find it hard to trust others. Such people never have a happy or healthy marriage. So you must trust your spouse to have a healthy, happy and successful marriage. But how would you handle a situation where trust was broken in your marriage? If you could give one piece of advice to a newlywed, what would it be? Let us know in the comments below. Have you ever had to rebuild trust in your marriage? What worked for you? Please share your journey also in the comments below. And the final one I have for you is unfaithfulness. Also, I can't stop talking about being unfaithful. You see, when we talk about unfaithfulness, people think it's only when your spouse cheats on you with another person. This is not just that. Someone can be unfaithful in other things. Maybe let's say your spouse promised to buy something for you and end up not buying it. He's not even serious about buying it in the first place. That too is unfaithfulness. So whenever we promise our spouse something, we should also try our best to fulfill it, which is faithfulness. What's more challenging to overcome in a marriage? Unfaithfulness or lack of forgiveness? Then the sixth one I have for you is allowing third party in your affairs. Have you successfully overcome third party interference in your relationship? Share your strategy. You see, all these I listed above, I don't just joke with them. If you or your spouse do this, it is time to stop because it's unhealthy for your marriage. I see many people do this very often but are not. So, what's your best tip for maintaining boundaries with third party in your relationship? Let us know your tip in the comments below. In conclusion, I thank you for joining me in this crucial conversation about successful marriage tips and understanding the causes of unfaithful marriages. We have explored essential insights like how to build a strong marriage, avoid selfishness in relationships, and practice forgiveness in marriage. What do you think is the biggest challenge in a marriage? Selfishness, trust issues, or third-party interference? Marriage thrives on mutual efforts, including overcoming trust issues, building trust in relationships, and maintaining faithfulness in marriage. By addressing signs of unhealthy marriage and learning how to improve your marriage, you can strengthen your bond and create a foundation for lasting happiness. Whether you are dealing with the effect of a third-party influence in marriage, navigating unfaithfulness in relationships, or seeking actionable marriage advice for couples, there is always hope. Remember, respecting your spouse, embracing selflessness in marriage, and prioritizing effective communication in marriage are keys to overcoming challenges and avoiding divorce pitfalls. If this video resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe for insights on resolving marital conflict and how to save your marriage. Let's continue this journey together. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below and support one another in building happy and healthy marriages. Would you like a video diving deeper into forgiveness in marriage or overcoming trust issues? Remember, no marriage is perfect, but every effort you make strengthens your bond. Let's continue this journey together, and I'll be seeing you in there. Silent love calling.